Get ready for a super delicious dump dessert. This is Oreo cookie dessert. It cooks in 45 minutes in this 9x13 dish. The only thing you have to wash is the spatula. 5 ingredients. It is so delicious. You can top it with ice cream or whipped cream and serve a family or take it to a potluck. Rewarm it in the microwave. Please keep it in the refrigerator. If you want the recipe and see how to make this, keep watching. Okay, let me show you the ingredients. I'm using a 9x13 pan, some non-stick cooking spray. You'll need 1 box of cake mix. I'm using double stuffed Oreo cookies because this is Oreo Dump Cake. You need 1 can of condensed milk, about a stick and a half of butter, and some whipped topping. Only 5 ingredients, and you have a delicious, decadent dessert ready in about 40-45 minutes. Now, if you want to get creative, they've got mint Oreos, they've got pumpkin Oreos right now, double fudge. But if I did the pumpkin, I would definitely probably switch out the chocolate and go with the spice cake mix. So when you get everything turned around, don't forget your whipped topping. And to tell the truth, I'm cheating on you guys. I'm going to use 6 ingredients. I'm going to add some nuts. You still got a few nuts left here. I'm going to go ahead and kill these and put them in there for some texture. So when you get everything set up, let's get cooking. You can butter this, but this is quicker and faster and easier for me. I prefer non-stick cooking spray. And I'm using double stuffed Oreo cookies. Recipe calls for about 24. Single layer, don't double them up. And you have a very decadent, delicious dessert in no time. If I can get my ruler here. There we go. Then you want to take your sweetened condensed milk. Guys, this is so delicious and decadent, you just won't believe it. And if there's any left, you want to put it in the refrigerator. And when you want to eat it, you just have to nuke it in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so. Don't leave this on the counter because of the whipped topping that goes in here. You want to smooth it out and make sure it's covered. Take your whipped topping. Got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. This cooks for about 40 minutes. I'm going to smooth this out evenly. Rather cheap dessert minus the Oreos. They're about almost $6 for a pack these days, which is crazy. Like I said, it's only 5 ingredients, but I have nuts. And if you can't do nuts, like I said, they're not necessary. And I have my cake mix. I'm using super moist chocolate fudge. I'm just going to put this across. Stop here. This is where I want to add my nuts. I want the nuts to be in between the cake mixture and the butter. But nuts are not necessary. For most recipes, they don't add nuts. That's just my spin on it. And add the rest of the cake mix. To slice my butter, I use one of those butter slicers. I got it off Amazon. I'm just going to take the butter and place on top of the mix. It will spread some, so don't worry if you have some cake mix that's not covered. Okay, there you have it. All set for the oven. Set the timer for 40 minutes and come back and show you guys a delicious dessert that your family will absolutely love. Oh, forgot. Not necessary, but I'm going to use up the rest of the cookies. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies. And crunch these cookies up and put them on top. That way you know what you're eating. This Oreo cookie dump cake, and like I said, switch out the cookies, try any flavor you like. Like I said, right now it's Halloween just passed, and they've got pumpkin if you can still catch it on the shelf, but I would use pumpkin spice cake mix just to change it up a little bit. So there you go, now we're all set. Okay guys, there it is. There's 59 seconds left on the clock. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And as you see, it is 10:49 p.m. Yeah, your girl be up late cooking. Let me turn the camera on and get this out. Okay. You guys are in for a delicious treat. This is so decadent, you won't believe it. 40 minutes in the oven. This is super indulgent. Chocolatey, rich. You guys are really going to love this. I'm going to let this cool for about 20 or 30 minutes, and it's really delicious with ice cream or whipped cream or a whipped topping on there. And you must cover this and keep this in the fridge, and when you want some, just put it on a plate and microwave for about 30 or 40 seconds. So I'm going to get everything set up so I can tell you guys my joke. And for those of you who have been here before, welcome back. You know, those of you that don't know, I upload 2 videos a week, and I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And if you like this video, please comment and subscribe and share. More importantly, comment. I really love responding to the comments. I have a notification on my devices so that I know if you left a comment. Okay guys, let me tell you my joke. 2 guys are in their mid-20s are sitting at a bar having beer. One of the guys remarks to the other guy, "You look tired." His friend replies, "Dude, I'm exhausted. My girlfriend wants to make love all the time, 3, 4, sometimes even 6 times a night. She wakes me up all hours. I don't know what to do." An old gentleman in his 70s is sitting a few bar stools down, overhears their conversation. He looked over at the 2 men, showing his wisdom of his age. Said, "Marry her. That'll put an end to all that nonsense." I thought that was pretty cute. I've always heard, I'm in my 60s, that women marry men hoping they'll change, and men marry women hoping they never change. And it's the reverse. I kind of like you. With a man, when you marry, you get what you get, and with a woman, we change after marriage. I hope my husband doesn't feel that way. I hope I'm still the same person. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, God bless, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.